Today I'm going to take you or talk about a city where I lived and enjoyed want to be there. My city name is called Bangalore, which is the capital city of Bangalore, India. I'm going to talk about mainly three aspects. First, it has a very rich cultural and historical background. And second, why Bangalore is called a cosmopolitan city and a center of IT hub, information technology hub, and some of the attractions in and around Bangalore. So, coming to the first aspects, like why Karnataka or Bangalore has a rich cultural and historical background. If you see, or if you go to northern part of Karnataka or Bangalore, you can see a rich historical background, and you can see how our Karnataka has formed, which were ruled by different dynasties over the years. And if you come to southern part of Karnataka, till today the government of Karnataka is organizing a festival to explore and get a real experience to the people of the how the kings or how the princes were lived, so you can get the real exposure on that. And coming to why it is called cosmopolitan city. Cosmopolitan means basically it is a mixture of all the elements. So Bangalore is the major center of attraction to the peoples from India, from all over the world, and they want to come and stay in Bangalore for a few years. And why Bangalore is being called as an IT hub, information technology hub. So information technology is like most of the multinational companies around the world has made one of the centers to work from Bangalore, because Bangalore has almost every year they are producing or like giving an almost above 1 lakh of youth students, so that one can easily find the job in their prospective fields. And Karnataka and why there are a lot of attractions in and around Bangalore. So if you want to visit, there are national parks, so you can explore the nature. And also which Karnataka has a very rich historical things. Even in southern part of India only we have 10,000 temples, and you can explore those things. So basically with all these three elements, cultural and history and cosmopolitan city, center of IT hub, and with all these major attraction, and I say it is a complete package, and one can come and visit my hometown, Bangalore. Thank you.